Hello to my friends, welcome to GT CAAD. Today I want to show you how to use the chain component pattern in assembly environments. And the first step, you should need to download these parts from the Telegram channel. I put the link in description. Okay, let's go to the lesson. We need to go to the assembly environment. Okay, the first one, we need to create a sketch on a front plane. Create a new sketch. We need to create two circles in equal diameter. Select both and the relation is equal. The diameter of the circle is 48.3 millimeters. Connect two circles with a line up and down side. Okay, delete or trim the extra line, and also we need to make a relation the center of circles. Okay, we need to define the offset of our centers is 125. Okay, hide the relation here. Now I got it's a fully defined exit. Okay, here go to the assembly tab and insert new components rows. Okay, insert the components. I put these files in my Telegram channel and you can see the link in description. Insert the part 2 is a sprockets. Here we have the option is a pin and or keep visible, and you can edit all components. You can insert some sample of components without run insert components again and again, and you can do it in just one click. Okay, we need to make a relation about our sketch. Go to the ICAD or visible eye, please. Okay, go to the ICAD. Okay, go to the ICAD and let's to see. Okay, go to the ICAD. Here we need to active the view temporary axis. Make a relation the left sprocket axis about the center of the circle. Okay, here is a fix, needs to float. Do it again. Here this axis and the center of the circle is a coincidence. Again, do it for the right one. Okay, click on one of the sprockets. We need to define a plane and it should be symmetric. Okay, it's assembly number 3. Let's save it. Here, when I click on the front plate, look, it's okay. Click on one of the sprockets and select the front plane, mate, and make relation coincident with our sketch. This face and this face is a coincidence. It moves back and get the location about the sprocket. We need to make a mate. Go to the mechanical. We have the gear mates and we need to define a gear between the two sprocket. Okay, this axis of this sprocket and the right one, and the ratio is 39.6. Also the equal right side is the same amounts. Okay, select OK. Okay, look, as you see, when I rotate one of the sprocket, another one start to rotate in our ratio that I defined. Here, inserting another component is the chain. Okay, again, select the pin and insert the 2 sample of our chain. Okay, click or right click on one of the chain and edit the parts. As you see, the front plane, it's not symmetric between our parts. We need to define a plane. This face and this face are plane located in symmetric of the two sides. Okay, it's need to make a relation coincidence about the sketch here. Okay, do it. This side and this side is a coincidence. Okay, make a drag. Select one of the chain and we need to make a top plane made about the sketch. Okay, select the pin, one of the chain pin linkage, and this chain make a concentric. Okay, our chain is located on a sketch and the chain under the linear components we have the chain components pattern. Okay, we have the 3 options. The first one is the distance. Our chain has the distance to each other. The second one, the linkage, has a distance. Look, this pin is a linkage. We call it linkage. And the last one, that's our main subject, is a connected linkage. Select the chains. Our sketch is the main chain, but delete it. Let's use this option. Select the manager, select the line, and it should be the close loop. Okay, it's automatically select all sketch. Here insert the 16 sample instance of the chain. We need to create the 2 groups. One group is this chain, and here we need to select the path link. One of them is this pin, and the last one, or the red color, is the, okay, let's click on the face. We need to define a path. As I created the plane, we need to select the plane 2 here. Look, half of the chain is pattern. Let's activate the change group 2 as the before. Inserted the elements, we need to select these components here, this face. Okay, let's hide it. Okay, it's done, and let's make a pass. It's plane 2. We need to unhide our parts. Okay, select, our chain is created. Let's unhide this cage. Okay, here when I rotate one of the sprocket, another rotate is a sprocket, but the chain is fixed. If we need to rotate our chain and sprocket at the same time, we need to go to the mate and again run the gear mate in the mechanical here. One of them is the axis of the sprocket and another one is the axis of our chain. The ratio is 39.6. Our video is finished and the right equal is 3. Don't forget to share this video to your Solidworks guys, and I'll put some essential video and projects about the Solidworks that you should know. Thanks for watching.